There are some common grammatical errors that make our sentences to be wrong. These common grammatical errors are connected with adjective, adverb, and verb. My name is Aksa, and today we are going to focus on the common grammatical error with respect to adjective, adverb, and verb. So the first word that create a disturbance or that create a error in grammar is enough. So first, you don't need to say this box isn't enough big for all the books. The correct way to say this sentence is this box isn't big enough for all the books. The rule behind that enough is enough goes after adjective, adverb, and verbs. We have to put enough. First, we will put the adjective, adverb, and verbs. Then we will place the word enough. Now let's see the example. She is smart enough to take the advanced class. In the sentence, we can see that first we have to put an adjective and then we will put the word enough. Now the next example is the teacher speaks slowly enough for me to understand. So first we have to put adverb and then we will put enough. This is a rule. Now the last example is make sure you eat enough now so that you are not hungry later. Now the next rule with noun is enough with noun and enough is enough goes before noun. We have seen that in adjective, adverb, and verb, enough place after the adjective, adverb, and verb. But in case of noun, first we have to put enough in a sentence and then we will place a noun. Now let's discuss the example of this rule. There are enough chairs for everybody to sit down. The next example is do you have enough money to buy that car? So first we have to put the word enough and then we will place the noun. Now the next common error occur with respect to how. So you don't say the sentence I can't believe how much stubborn he is. The right way to say this sentence is I can't believe how stubborn he is. The rule behind is that with adjective and adverb we use only how. We do not need to put much and many after how. So let's discuss the example of this rule. How tall are you? How quickly can they finish the project? So we can see in these examples that after first we have to place how and then after how we directly put adjective and adverb. It's all about the common grammatical error in relation to adjective, adverb, and verb that people are committing without having any information or unknowingly they are committing these type of mistakes or error. If you want to remove these type of errors, so subscribe to my channel and stay connected to my channel so that you can get all the latest updates.